days running, been a soldier. Better days are coming, better days are coming for you. So
Dry your eyes and make alright. Just look to the sky.
Come on out. And Hunter straight ahead. Hunter, eyes right. And to your left, please. Into the corner.
Just so like I have
This was easy.
that's all I did.
And finally, Snow's rise and fall has been theorised by fans for many years. How exciting is it for you that we finally get to find out what the real deal is?
Well, for me, that's extraordinary. I've been a fan of the franchise since I was, day high, and yeah, I absolutely love watching the Darker Journey. But also, we've been so lucky to have Tom and
Rachel, over your right shoulder. Rachel, over your right shoulder.
Yeah, it was an extraordinary day.
Well, congratulations.
And to your far left, please. And Rachel.
We are starting immediately. Let's do it. The premiere of one of what is now cinema's biggest franchise.
Oh my goodness, it's such an honor to even be a part of it, let alone get to celebrate with all of you. The fans are the reason that this franchise has survived as long as it has. That and the genius that is in Holland. So it's so nice to be with all of you.
Arriving on the red carpet here in London.
Zoom in on the main cast. The frame up on the main cast.
Few seconds. We're vibing. We're smiling. On the left. Your left.
Right here. Let's
This
go.
side. This side.
side.
This side.
Everybody good? Now we're moving to the middle. We're merging towards the middle. Everybody's in there. We're smiling.
Over
We're all
here.
looking in the same direction. So
Over here.
Alrighty. Now off to your side right. Everybody looking great. Amazing.